Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. So, as our topic, rational numbers is going on, in which today we will learn division of rational numbers. So, for this, there is a rule like if a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers, such that c upon d is not equals to 0. Means, as we know, division by 0 is not possible. So, like when a upon b is divided by c upon d, then what happens? This divide converts into multiply, and there will be a reciprocal of this second term, like c upon d will become d upon c. So based on this concept, there are some questions, like here we have to divide these. So in the first one, we have to divide this 4 upon 9 by minus 5 upon 12. So what we will do first, like this divide will convert into multiply, and there will be a reciprocal of this second term, like this minus 5 upon 12 will become minus 12 upon 5. So then what we will see, like there is any number in numerator and denominator which can be simplified by any number. So as we are seeing here, this 9 and 12 both are divisible by 3. So we will simplify this, like 3 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12. Then in the numerator we will got 4 and into minus 4, and the denominator we will got 3 into 5. When you will multiply this, you will got minus 16 upon 15. As we know, different sign, negative. So second one is, here we have to divide minus 8 by minus 7 upon 16. As we know, we can write this minus 8 as minus 8 upon 1, and again this divide will convert into multiply, and there will be a reciprocal of this second term, so it will become minus 16 upon 7. Now as we are seeing here, there is no any number which can be simplified by any number in numerator and denominator. So what we will do here, we will just multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So in the numerator we will got minus 8 into minus 16, and in the denominator we will got 1 into 7. So when you will multiply this, you will got 128 upon 7, which will be our final answer. As we know, same sign, positive. Now the third one is, here we have to divide minus 12 upon 7 by minus 18. So what we'll do first, as first we will write this minus 18 as minus 18 upon 1. Now as we know, we will convert this divide to the multiply sign. So this divide will convert into multiply, and there will be a reciprocal of this second term, so it will become minus 1 upon 18. Now again, as we are seeing here, this 12 and 18 both are divisible by 6, like 6 2 is 12 and 6 3 is 18. So after simplifying, we will got in the numerator like minus 2 into minus 1, and the denominator we will got 7 into 3. Then when we will multiply this, we will got 2 upon 21, which will be our final answer. So here is one more question based on this concept. Like here we have to verify whether the given statement is true or false. Like as you are seeing, how can we verify this? Like first we will find out the left hand side value, then we will find out the right hand side value. If we got both the values same, then the statement will be true, and if we got different values, then the statement will be false. So let's take the left hand side. So again, in the left hand side, minus 8 upon 9 is divided by minus 4 upon 3. So again, this divide will convert into multiply, and there will be a reciprocal of the second term, so it will be minus 3 upon 4. As again, as you are seeing here, 4 and 8 both are divisible by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, and this 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3, like 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9. So after simplifying, we will get in the numerator minus 2 into minus 1, and in the denominator we will got 3 into 1. When you will multiply this, you will got 2 upon 3. That means the left hand side value is 2 upon 3. Now let's check what is the right hand side value. So here we are having right hand side, minus 4 upon 3 is divided by minus 8 upon 9. Again, this divide will convert into multiply, and there will be a reciprocal of the second term, it will be minus 9 upon 8. Again, as we are seeing here, this 4 and 8 both are divisible by 4, and this 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. So after simplifying, we will got in the numerator minus 1 into minus 3, and in the denominator we will got 1 into 2. So after multiplying, you will got 3 upon 2. So what we are seeing here, the left hand side value is 2 upon 3, but the right hand side value is 3 upon 2. So both are having different sign, different values. That means here left hand side is not equals to right hand side, which means that the given statement is false. Which shows that in division we can't change the order. It's not necessary that after changing the order we will got the same result. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.